The company installing the new in-ground pool in your backyard has provided you with the scale drawing shown below. If the drawing uses a scale of 1 inch to 1 3/4 of a foot, calculate the total amount of two-dimensional space needed for the pool and its surrounding patio. We are going to start by calculating the area of the scale drawing. We need to multiply 11 3/7 by 22 2/7. If you change these to decimals right now, you are going to have an issue with rounding, and you're going to come up with a really funky number at the end. But if you wait to round until the very end, it's going to come out to a very nice number that doesn't have any decimals. And the reason that we don't want to round is because of round off error. So we are going to wait and get a clean answer at the end. 11 times 7 is 77, plus 3 more makes 80. 22 times 7 is 154. And then if we add the 2 that's on the top, we will get 156. None of this, unfortunately, will divide out, so we can't do any funky crossing things and get it to reduce. So we just have to multiply this out. 80 times 156 is 12,480. And 7 times 7 for the bottom is 49. That is just for the area of this piece. But we want to know about the area of the actual pool in feet. So we're going to take that area and we're going to multiply it by 1 3/4 for the length, and then 1 3/4 again for the width. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more makes 7. This changes to 7/4. The nice thing about this is 49 and 7 will divide out. So we have a 1 left here and a 7 left over here, because 7 times 7 is 49. We can do the same thing with this one. Then I have 12,480 times 1 and times 1 again. On the bottom I have 1 times 4, which is 4, and then times by 4 again, and that is 16. Now we can divide and get a final answer. And when we do that, we get exactly 780 feet squared. This is the actual dimensions for the area of the pool and patio in the backyard.